Good morning, students. Today we'll have a look at Accenture verbal section, what kind of questions they ask in the aptitude test. As you can see, it is done by a company called CoCubes. They're a test prep company. So today's session will be an interactive session where we will see all kinds of questions that they ask, question types in the verbal section. Okay. So as the questions keep going on, I will ask each student to answer and we will see strategies on how to solve these questions. Okay. Uh, for a start, as you can see, questions 1 to 4 are based on this passage. Uh, this is reading comprehension. We need not do this right now. It's like a normal reading comprehension which you get. And the questions are also pretty straightforward. So you can practice this. There's lots of reading passages available online. You can practice this on your own. Okay. Uh, Another type of question they ask is like this. They give you four statements A, B, C, and D. Then they ask you to put them in order according to logical flow. So I hope you guys remember in the previous 2 3 semesters we have done something called jumbled sentences, right? Where you need to rearrange the order of the sentences. So this is one question type. This also you can practice on your own. It's not a big problem. Um, we will start with question number 7, which is a fill in the blank question. So I will ask one by one each student so you can answer. We'll start with Harshita. Harshita, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you answer question number 7?
Yes, sir. Option B, sir.
Very good. Call the police immediately. Immediately refers to right now. So call the police immediately is a statement made by one person. He is instructing another person to call immediately. Right. Good. Now question number 8. I'll. How about Aryan? Aryan, can you hear me? Yeah. Can you answer question number 8? Yeah. Answer is option C. But what do you mean by record rainfall? Yeah. Very heavy rainfall. Extremely heavy rainfall. That's called. Good. Fine. Okay. Question number 9 can go to Leka. Leka Bhaskaran, can you hear me? Leka,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Can you answer question number 9?
Yes, sir. Default, sir.
No. What do you mean by shortcoming? What are they saying here? We have no shortcoming to cheap labor means lots of cheap labor is available in India. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shortcoming over here means shortage. Correct? Shortage also refers to
Deficit.
scarcity. No, no. Deficit is only in terms of money. Okay. You would have heard fiscal deficit and all that. So here we are talking about scarcity of labor. Okay. So they say you have no scarcity in labor means we have lots of labor available. Okay. Fine. Question number 10. I'll put it on to Mohammed Fazil. Can you answer? Very good. Please remind me to post. You're using an infinitive form of the verb post. Remind me to post. Fine. Uh, the next question, uh, I'm not sure. Has anyone heard of this word, cousin? Let me put an open question to everyone. No? Okay, cousin means to cheat or deceive or to trick someone. So in this case, what would be the opposite of that? Hmm, treat honestly. Perfect. Very nice. Okay. Question number 12. Let me ask, say, Rishita. Can you answer? Okay. That is the second one, nah? Raising. Okay, you're right. But what does it mean? Correct. Or cultivating or growing, right? Okay. Very good. Fine. Next, question 13. Prem Kumar, can you answer? Okay. Very good. Perfect. History dates since ancient times. This ancient times is one particular point of time in the past. I can even replace it with something like this 200 AD or something like that. So you're absolutely right. When we have uh, an exact time of start, you are supposed to use since. Very good. Okay. 14th. Um, let me ask um, Naveen Kumar MK. Yeah. Can you answer question 14? Serve him on summons. No. What is summons? Summons is sent by a court, right? Yeah. So it is actually a paper which is sent to a person asking him to appear in court. Am I right? So you serve someone with summons always because it is a paper, it's a document, it's a physical thing. Okay, so you're supposed to use with. Okay, next let me ask Muhammad Mushtaq. Do you know the meaning of facile? No, facile is not soft. Anybody else? Let me leave an open question to everyone. Does anyone else know the meaning of facile? Facile actually means something which is, yeah, which is very simple. It need not be forced. So it is something that is easily done. Good, fine. Okay, let me also leave this question to everyone. Deluge. Has anybody heard of this word deluge? No. Correct. It is flood. You would remember in 2015 we had floods in Chennai because of heavy rain downpour. Correct. At that point of time in the papers you would have seen probably uh, that it said that lots of people came into hardship because of the deluge, that is flood. Okay, number 17 goes to Naresh Jawahar. Very good. uh, Now What do you mean by this? Your answer is correct, but what do you mean by the new wave of cafes? Or a new type of cafe? Correct? Cafes are small restaurants, right? So new wave can probably mean these are modern cafes, right? So how to figure this out is, this is one category, isn't it? New wave of cafes is a category. So many of you would have heard this item falls under this category, right? So that's how you figure this out. Fine, very good, nice. Question 18 can go to Rishita. Rishita, can you answer question 18?
Programs.
Very good, perfect. But what do you mean by upliftment? Correct, perfect. These are development programs. So they are actually developing the villages. Fine, fine. Okay. Now question 19 is a different type of question. See, this is a sentence. These kind of sentences are called sentence error types of questions. So here what they have done is they have divided the sentence into three parts. So the first part is A, that is till here. The second part is till here, and part C is till here. So they are asking you to find out if there is any problem in this sentence. Anybody can answer. Do you guys think C? Yeah? Why? What is wrong with automatically was automatically promoted? At the end of the year, every student who had done adequate work. You can also mean past year. That's not a problem. No, that's okay. You don't have to apologize. Yeah. Actually, there is no error in the sentence. Sentence is absolutely fine. No issues at all. Okay. Right. And the last one for today. What about this sentence? Yeah, this one. You're wrong. There is an error. Option B. Yeah. Why? What is wrong with that? I can't hear you properly. A. What is wrong with A? Why one of many only? No. What's wrong with that? What is wrong with C? No, no, not necessary. You can talk about that particular point of time in the past where he was an atheist. That's not an issue. Answer is B. There is something wrong here. But what is wrong? No, actually, doubt is sitting in the sentence. That is not the issue. See, doubt means to ask a question, correct? Means he is doubtful, means he is not, he has some, uh, he feels that something is wrong, correct? So here, if also means the same. So you have to change this to that. One of the members expressed doubt that the minister was an atheist. That's the problem with the sentence. Okay. Uh, what about atheist? What do you mean by atheist?
The one who was believe God,
The person who doesn't believe in God. That's called an atheist.
believe in God.
Yeah, he doesn't believe in God. Okay. One more question, really important. Um, the difference between past tense and past perfect tense. Can anyone tell me? See, here finished is in simple past tense, but here it shows past perfect tense. Can anyone tell me what is the difference in meaning between these two sentences? Anyone? What is the difference between past tense and past perfect tense? These are repeated questions that come in almost all the papers. When to use past tense and when to use past perfect tense. Does anyone know?
Sir, first sentence you say that the work is done yesterday, but not at the perfect time. They didn't mention any time, sir. But the second sentence will say that it is completed yesterday by this time.
Okay, I will add exact time. No problem. Okay. So in this case, what happens? What is the difference between the two sentences? In this case, I have added time. See, the difference is, if you guys don't know, just note it down. In the first sentence, you are just making a normal statement that this guy finished his work yesterday at 10 o'clock. But in the second sentence, when you use past perfect tense, you are specifically mentioning that this particular 10 o'clock yesterday till now is a very, very long time. You are adding emphasis to the sentence. You're adding more weightage to the sentence. Okay. Another example, see, for example, for Raj finished his schooling 2 years back. Okay. And Raj had finished his schooling 2 years back. So in these two sentences, again the same thing applies. Here in the first sentence, you are making a normal statement. You are not implying anything. Okay, it has none of the words in this sentence has any emphasis. It's just a normal statement. But here in the second sentence, you are telling the other person that this 2 years has been a very long time. Okay, you're adding emphasis, you're adding weight to the sentence. That's the difference between past tense and past perfect tense. Please note it down because lots of questions come using this concept. Okay, so we have done 20 today. I think that should do. So in the next class, whenever it happens tomorrow or day after, we have today I did only set one, so we have three sets of questions. So we will go ahead in the similar manner and see as many questions as possible in the next few classes. Okay, so I'll just take your attendance and then we can wind up for today. Okay. Right. One by one, please answer your attendance. Pushpalata,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Naveen Kumar, Harshita,
Yes, sir.
Kirtana,
Yes, sir.
Pawan Kumar, Prashant, Balaji, Chetan, Vinay, Guruji.
Yes, sir.
Correct or Purana? Yeah. Guruji, yeah, Guruji. 141 or 142? Both are there.
41, sir.
142? Okay, ma'am. Lekha Shri, Lokesh,
Yes, sir.
okay. Lokesh, Lokeshwari, Pavan Sai, Vitesh Reddy,
So, location present, sir.
huh? Lokeshwari, yeah. Okay, okay. Pavan Sai, Vitesh Reddy, Madhavan, Madhumati, Mageshwaran, Magudeshwaran, Mahalakshmi,
Present, sir.
Malavika, Subbareddy, Manivannan, Maria, Sahaya, Shiva Reddy, Kirti,
Present, sir.
Aryan, Meena, Meena, Meenakshi, 160 only, no? You are Meena. Okay, okay. Meena Lochini, Harshit, Hemant, Lokesh, Sumant, Mohammad Fazil, Mohammad Nabil, Mohammad Hussein, Monisha, Krishna Chaitanya, Rishita,
Yes, sir.
Sneha Reddy,
Yes, sir.
Mohammad Mushtaq, Mukesh, Pawan, Mohit, Maitriyan, Vismita, Nagarjun, Surya Krishna, Nandeshwaran, Nandini, Naresh, Prem Sai, Naveen Kumar MK, Naveen Kumar S, Prasanna Lakshmi, Prasanna Lakshmi,
Yes, sir.
Shiva Krishna, Chandrasekhar, Giri Prasad. Okay, fine. That's all for today. Did I leave anyone? Attendance? Okay, fine then. Thanks so much and have a good day. Bye, guys. Okay. Okay.